radians. Okay, so rotation in radian. Okay, so on the y-axis, we actually want to put the actual height, okay, actual value of sine. Okay, so sine we interpret as a height, right? So let's plot some main points. Here's 0, here's pi over 2, here's pi, here's 3 pi over 2. So let's say that's 0, that's pi over 2, that's pi, that's 3 pi over 2, and that's 2 pi. That represents, straight away the full rotation once around, right? Now, let me just draw a few arrows. Okay. So look, here's pi over 2. At pi over 2, what's the height? Clearly. 1. And you can see that would actually have to be the maximum. 1. Right? Pi over 2. Now before pi over 2, you can see that it's going to be lower. And it goes smoothly, right? It goes down smoothly. Or increases smoothly. So from here, it'll go up smoothly. Here, so there'll be a point there. There'll be a point there. Like that. Okay. And see this curvature? This curvature would have to be exactly the same curvature on the other side as it goes down, because of the fact that it's a circle and it goes down in the exact same way. Now after pi, the height, the sine values are going to be negative. But in terms of how it goes down, it's exactly the same curvature as this one, right? And we know that at 3 pi over 2, it's going to be exactly negative 1. And goes down. Okay, so that's one full cycle. Okay, so there's some names that we actually have to learn for trig graph. So this length here, how long it takes to finish one cycle, is called a period. Okay, and see this here? This is equivalent to what of the circle? This height here. This height is equivalent to the radius of the circle, right? So this is called the amplitude. And it's equivalent to the radius. Now this is important that you know this. You can make the relationship between these two, because the word problems that we're going to be doing, you need to understand that's what it is. The radius represents the amplitude, right? Because you're going to have to convert the word problem into a sine graph. Okay, so we also say it has a maximum value of 1. It's a minimum value of negative 1. And we call the sine graph a periodic function. Okay, so what's going to happen as I rotate more, or as I rotate in a negative rotation? And we're going to get the exact same picture, right? So from the next picture is going to occur, from 2 pi, right, all the way to 4 pi. But it's going to be the exact same picture. If you rotate clockwise, it's going to go down this way, right? Like this. So the picture repeats itself over and over and over again as the angle rotates over and over again. Okay, so we call that a periodic function. Periodic means, if you say something occurs periodically, it means it repeats itself, right? All right.